everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and today I want to share with you guys one of my childhood memory soups that my mom used to make for me when I was a kid. It's called sopa de fideo. This recipe is pretty easy to make, and I want to show you guys here what I have. This is the fideo, very tiny soup. We're going to be using the fideo today, but when I was young, my mom used to cook for me the same type of soup, but it was so cool because it came in alphabet letters. And this soup brings back memories to me because I used to sit with my sisters during dinner and just have a blast making, or spelling out our names and just silly things like that. So it reminds me of my mom, and I want to share with you guys. I know my daughters like it, and it's, like I said, it's easy, and we're gonna get started here. You guys are gonna need some cooking oil. I have here 4 small tomatoes. If you guys have bigger tomatoes, then use less tomatoes, but since mine are very small, I have 4. Half an onion, and we're gonna need salt, and my favorite, the Knorr, the chicken flavor. We're gonna need 3 cups of water, and we're gonna get started. We have our pot at medium heat. For the cooking oil, I'm just gonna add, I don't really have a measurement, but I'm thinking that's like half a tablespoon right there. We're gonna add our fideo. This cooks very fast, so you guys have to make sure that you guys are stirring it constantly. We are going to cook it until all your fideo starts turning gold, and like you guys can tell, it goes by quick. Okay, for this you guys have to keep on stirring the fideo because it will get burnt. Do not walk away from it. And then once it's nice and gold, we're gonna put it aside and then start working on our sauce. And this one looks like it's ready to be put aside. Okay, we are making our sauce. We're gonna add our tomatoes. This was 3 cups of water, remember? And we're gonna add our onion. Some salt. And a tablespoon of Knorr. I'm gonna blend these all together. Put it on the fideo, and we're gonna have it cook for about 8 minutes. Bring it back to medium heat. Come in here so you can see the foam. And we are gonna cover it up. Let it cook for 8 minutes and we'll come back. Okay, so I checked my soup at 8 minutes like I told you guys, but it was still a little hard, so I let it cook for an additional 2 more minutes. You guys want your noodles or your fideo to be soft and tender. It's just like making pasta, so see, nice and soft like that. And so 2 more minutes and it was fine right after that. For my fideo, if you guys have seen any of my other videos, I think you guys are getting the hint that I love cheese, and I kind of add cheese on everything because it goes well with everything. So for this one, it's not the exception, so I like adding queso fresco to my sopa de fideo, and you guys, it's magic. Please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys try this recipe at home, and I hope you guys like it. Provecho!